Good morning, guys. What time is it? 7:24 in the morning, and we are getting ready so we can go back to track. Are we halfway then?
No.
Not yet.
No.
I thought we were halfway.
No.
We're still in Kentucky this time. I think malapit na kami sa Tennessee. We decided last night to stop over, find a place to sleep. This time heading home, relax na kami, hindi kami yung like rush like yung pagpunta namin New York. So yeah, we are able to stop by and see welcome center in each state. Yan yung suggestion ng isa kong subscriber. She said to me, Jenny, take photo of the welcome center so you know meron kang memories. So we did this time. Nung pagpunta namin New York, hindi ko nagawa kasi nagmamadali nga kami, but this time we can be able to like kapag picture. Are we gonna, we're just heading straight home, right? We're not gonna stop by, see something else, no?
Depends on whether you want to be home today or you want to be home tomorrow.
How tinatanong mo? If I'll be being asked, I'll be fine. I'll be fine to be home late, but it's up to you. I mean, like, you're the one who had so much. Anyway, guys, we have free breakfast on this hotel. Red Roof Hotel.
Red Roof Inn.
Oh, sorry. Red Roof Inn. Hindi pa nga ako gising. And kain kami. So, yung breakfast nila, by the way, is 6 a.m. to 10. Yung nakita ko yun sa, may nakalagay yun sa labas. Okay, full na siguro na eh. It's fogging outside, babe.
What?
It's fogging outside.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! It's fogging. Yes, it is fogging outside. Oh, diba? My reaction is like, yes, it's fogging outside. Can you believe it? It's fogging outside. Maganda tong ganito na stopover isang maleta. So, advice ko sa mga nag-travel like us, traveling too far. Especially kung may stopover kayo na gagawin, like stopover to sleep. So, magse-separate kayo ng luggage na maliit. Lalagay nyo doon yung clothes lang na gagamitin nyo for that night while you're staying at that hotel. Kasi yung iba kasi, sa isang malaking, yung luggage na malaki yung binibit-bit kasi hindi nila alam kung saan doon yung susuotin nila. So, mas maganda kung nakaseparate na yung dapat suotin mo the next day. So, ito lang. Ito yung luggage na dala namin. Sobrang liit. O, diba? Yung dalawang luggage namin nasa car lang. Are you okay? Okay. Where's your clothes? Asa na? Dali, ibutang dili. Clothes yun na. Para ma-close na ako may malita. We're gonna stop over at Tennessee Welcome Center also, guys, para makapag-picture. And then hopefully we could be able to see the bridge that I was actually captured last time when we were on our way to New York. Brush your teeth, please. Brush your teeth, sabi. Hindi ko ba toothbrush? Hindi maka-toothbrush. Oh. Let's go find out what food they have here. Kain muna tayo before alis. Oh, they have food here. Oh, you can make toast. You want hot chocolate, Nicole? Yes, Nicole wants. Do you want hot chocolate? No? Yes, no. Yes daw. With marshmallow. Oh, wow. Breakfast nila here. Meron silang muffins, cinnamon roll, oatmeal. Meron sila the wheat bread, white bread. May mga jam sila dito, guys. And then this one, actually this one, Pierce, I think. I'm not really sure. Gawa tayo ng toast bread. Meron pala, yan, waiting ako nito, guys. Biscuit. And then sausage. Gravy here. Meron silang mga cereal dito. They have cereal and milk. That's pretty cool for kids. Oh my god. Good. Dami. I'm gonna teach you example of Bisaya. Bahong tai. Say it.
Bahong tai.
Baho kay kag tai. Baho. Baho kaayo kag tai.
Baho.
Baho kaayo kag tai. Baho.
Baho.
Kaayo.
Kayo.
Kag.
Kag.
Tai.
Tai.
Uy, grabe gini mo laban doon yung daddy, oh. Labas na tayo dito. Like, because it's red roof, their roof must be red. Maybe. Yeah. Andyan yung mahal na hotel, oh. Hampton Inn. Tama ba? Hampton Inn. $150 per night. $150 per night yung dyan na hotel, guys. Super expensive. This is another Kentucky Welcome Center, guys. Diba yesterday, nag-stop over kami. Iba pala yun. Meron pang isa dito. Kentucky. And my hot husband there. Kentucky Welcome. Do you like your rocking chair? You like it? Let's take this home.
Someplace to sit while I'm waiting.
Oy, Nicolo's enjoying it. Look at her. Oy. Kentucky is well known for horses. Yeah, you're right. It's big. Bucky, stop over kami dito, guys. Kasi ito daw yung pinakamalaking gasoline station here. So, meron silang shopping center doon. I need some air. Bucky's. Yan, guys. Magkano yung How much?
$2.99.
$2.99. Better. Sabi niya basta under 3 lang.
First gas we've seen for under $3 a gallon.
I know. Super mahal ng gas sa New York.
You just don't see gas stations with
this big?
hundreds of gas pumps.
I don't, yeah.
You've never seen a gas station this
Yeah,
busy.
this is so big. Very, like hanggang dulo. From there hanggang dulo. I don't know how many dito. Ang dami. We're going inside this shopping here store.
Yeah.
They're full. I don't know what they have. They have clothes here. Or it's just like grocery. Ay, ayun po si Chipmunks. Si Alvin the Chipmunks. I'm just kidding. You find something? Squishy! Ito! Small nga siya. Cute. Hala, that's so cute. That's really cute. For $19, world famous jerky. Ano ba yan? Jerky? Oh my gosh! Take photo of them, babe, please. It's just so cute. Hoy, you're gonna put it, Hugo, that's a lot. How much?
14.
That's very cute. You like it? Take, look at daddy. Look at daddy. Look at daddy. Saka mag-picture si daddy. That's Nick Yash. Look at this mug. Very artistic. Oh, wow. Babe, look how beautiful this is. How much is this? Where's the price? This is 14. Wow, this is so pretty. Phone holder, very cute. Pero $10 kayo. He was like pushing us, go to the restaurant so you can be able to see our... Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng painting! Sorry, I'm like stuck here because I like the painting. What do you want me to see? I know it's big, but I'm like stuck on the... It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, wow. Nice naman ito. Oh. Ang ganda. You want to use toilet? Nicole, come here. Look at the painting here. It's so pretty. Come here, come here. You see? Di ka ganahan? You don't like? Yeah, na ba? Here's another one. Oh. Wow. Ah, that's for sale. It's like $100. That one is $279. For sale pala yan. Akala ko it's just a display. Whoa.
Let's find the cheapest.
Very pretty.
79.
The cheapest. But you can paint this, Yashri. You can paint this. It's so nice, no? Wait for Daddy. Come here. New product from here. Ibraki's Overbite. $3. Ano ba to? Is it original from here? You know, different kind of chocolate. Ang tagal talaga ni Belle. Hindi ko alam anong nangyari. Nag-CR lang siya. Ang tagal. Hey! Wey! Gawsa mo na sila dira. Uy, sapa lagi kini sila. What are you doing? Oh, they're making food. Ah, wow. Let me see. Wow. Ay, sorry. Tingnan niyo yan, oh. Can you get that? I think it's in the front. And then come back here. Okay, just one, please. I'll get this one, guys. Kasi kain tayo ng vegetables because for the past week, talaga yung mga kain namin fast food lang. And this one also, this is nice. This one, oh, very healthy food here. Pinakuha ko pala si Nicole ng cart or basket pala para easy to carry. What is this?
Glazed nuts. So these are pecans, these are almonds.
Bucky's glazed nut.
Right.
So what's
glazed
inside?
It's like sugar. It's like a sugar sweet coating.
Okay, and I have no idea what that is. Yes, she's really like pointing her finger on the stuffed toys.
She's like, yeah.
Nicole, you are not gonna play that. You're not a kid anymore. Get one. Put it here. Ashley wants something that's not spicy, babe. Texas
spicy.
barbecue.
Well, barbecue has a little spicy.
Yeah, sure. Wow. They're preparing it like fresh. Come here, guys. Why are they like screaming? Why are they screaming?
Letting everybody know.
Food is ready.
Food is ready.
Oh, okay, okay. One of these? Oh, it's like a chips? Ashley, come here and like choose, please. There's another one here, like sausage, egg, and cheese. How about this one? Bacon, egg, and cheese. Taco. You like? You eat this one. It's the same as the hot pocket that you eat.
Huh?
It's the same as the hot pocket you eat. This one.
Biscuit?
The bacon, egg. Yeah.
So, wala man to cheese, diba?
There's a cheese. Naa siya. Oh, yes. Sige na kayo.
Ganito.
But there's another one here. Oh, come here. Here's something else here. What's this?
This is barbecue, so it's going to have barbecue sauce.
And there's another one there. What's that?
That's pulled pork.
Oh, yes, we can eat that. You can eat that one, diba? Like kickballs. Oh, look, this one. This is bigger.
Double chocolate.
Yeah. No? She wants to try it.
Cheese ball. Cake ball. One with the white screen.
Okay. It's red velvet.
Oh.
The one next to
The
it
other one.
is double chocolate. Chocolate. Just one of them?
Yes, ma'am. Anything else?
It's pretty cool here, no? So nice. What are you looking? What did you see? Careful with that thing, huh? Are we gonna pay now? We're gonna get something else. There are clothes here. Oh my goodness. If you're gonna ask me, I can find anything here. Ito, hoodies. Ay, batik man siya. Wala, nice lagi ni siya. Oh, nga shirt. That's really nice. This one is nice. How much? Look, 14. That's really nice. Sobrang budol na tayo, guys. Ayan na. I got something. I think I'm gonna get the kids. I got this hoodie kasi wala akong hoodie sa bahay. So I'll just get this one and then I'll get some for the kids.
Give them something like this.
What's that? For?
It's like a blanket.
Oh yeah, that's it.
It's the same price as the stuffed toy, but it has a little more
comfort.
Practicality.
Oh, that's true. Do you want this? Huh? You want this?
No, she doesn't want a blanket.
Do you want something like mine? Hoodie. You want hoodie? Careful. Here. Nicole, come here. Do you want like matches? I got hoodie for myself, so do you want a hoodie for yourself too? Do you want this? I'll get you one. Daddy says. Yeah. Here, there. Oh, there. Oh. She wants.
Na oversize?
12:22 p.m. We are still on our way. We miss our Welcome Center Tennessee. Nag-ano kasi ako, guys, nag-transfer ako ng file sa phone and then Bell, like it's almost like half mile ba. Wala na. Na-miss namin yung exit. So wala kaming picture and video sa Tennessee Welcome Center, but it's okay. Okay lang yun. Kain tayo. Ito yung binili namin sa, actually they already ate their sandwiches, tapos na sila. Ako lang yung hindi kumain kasi nga nag-transfer ako ng file to the phone and then hindi kasi ako makapag-vlog if I cannot transfer. Kasi if I don't transfer file, hindi ako makapag-vlog because I am run out of like SD card, storage of my SD card. So kailangan ko mag-transfer and delete. And I only had 128. No, sorry, you buy me 256 gigabyte. But yeah, marami pa rin akong i-edit pa pagdating sa bahay. So I am getting myself this salad from Buc-ee's. Ito yung binili ko. This will be my lunch. Ulan, guys. On our way, nasa Tennessee pa rin kami. And it is 1:30 p.m. right now. Bakas yung ulan talaga naman. Pero pa-exit na kami. May light sa dulo. Baka wala ng ulan mamaya. Taro nga. Singer din siya sa una, guys. Arkansas. Sana meron silang Welcome Arkansas. Ang ganda! Wow! Nice place. Oh, pwede ka maghigda diri ba? Tapos maglibot, ligid-ligid. Yeah, naman ako. May mga tao kasi doon sa front desk. Pero yeah, we are here at the Welcome Center of Arkansas. Arkansas. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Laging may S yung sinasabi ko. But yeah, this is Arkansas. Yes. Hands-free. Pang-inom lagi na. It's you can drink. Yeah, you can drink. You don't need hands. Kuratan siya silang tubig diri, oh. Kuratan siya sa hands-free na siya. Hands-free. You don't have to, like, just your mouth. Ano? Sige. Sige daw. Sige. Ari mo hands-free. Mo ano lang siya. No need na i-hands. Iyan na lang yung dili na lagi ang hands mo. Dito lagi siya. Cute. Hello, wow. Nice ng ano nila dito. Made of wood talaga siya. Pure wood na, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo yan. Pure woods. In a pure. Ah, that's the welcome? Yeah, take photo.
Uy, mas dako mao.
Where? Maulaw man ko. There's people. There's people there, man. Yes, we are in Texas. We are finally in Texas. For you, Teddy. We are finally in Texas, Teddy. Hana akong abat, guys. Hindi ko na alam yung mukha natin. Basta makauwi tayo ng bahay today. I think we will arrive there around mga 2 in the morning. Straight lang kami. Diretso kami uwing bahay. Bahala na days. Sakit na akong lumot. But we need to be home. Okay, paperwork is waiting. Paperworks are waiting, so we need to be home. Nag-CR lang kami. Stop over kami dito. Toilet. Guilty to kasi hindi kami nakapunta sa Tennessee, guys. Na welcome. Na-miss nga niya yung exit sa Tennessee. Sabi niya sayang. Gusto pa naman namin makumpleto sana yung welcome yung state ba o yung lahat ng state na na-pass namin. Pero wala eh. Is that good? How does it look like there? It looks like lang to me. It's just map. I'm the map. I'm the map.
So we're together, fine. One by one.
We're here at racetrack. Top up lang ng gasoline si Ben. And then, meron pala silang food sa loob, guys. So, bumili na rin kami ng food. So, yung binili niya, ang laki ng pizza. So, andun ako kanina sa loob. And then, hindi ako makapagintay kasi nga, ginawa pa yung pizza, guys. It's freshly baked. Ang laki ng box. Ay! So, this will be our dinner for tonight. It's 9:07 in the evening here in Texas. Texas na kami. And then, meron pa siyang isa. Ano to? Chicken tenderloin. Tenderloin? Tama ba yung pagkapunos? Chicken. And then, meron pa chips here. Kain tayo.
Might still be a little too hot to eat.
Yeah, it's good. You want some bite?
Is it too hot to eat?
I'm gonna blow it for you.
What? You gonna blow on it and cool it off?
Yeah.
Like I was 2?
2-year-old. There's a lot of cheese.